Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you my introduction video for Project Polish 2018. I have chosen 5 different polishes that I would like to get through this year. So let's get started. I'm going to try to do this as quickly as possible. Let's begin with my first pick, which is this very beautiful aqua shimmer polish. And this is Nicole by OPI's in Diva Into the Pool. And I really like this color. I love blues, but it takes more than 2 coats to be fully opaque, and I don't ever do more than 2 coats, so I just figure I might as well use it and get it out of my collection. And here is my starting point. My next pick is another sheer polish, and this is from Formula X. It's just a mini. This is in the shade Wondrous, and this is a very pale sheer pink. And there's my starting point, and this one provides you with the your nails but better kind of look. But again, I don't like sheer polish. Next up, I have another mini, and this is from the 2013 Hunger Games Catching Fire collection. This is in the shade Seared Bronze, and it is a bronze polish with brown, gold, and red flecks. It is very pretty, but it's very old. And here is my starting point. The next polish in this project is one that I actually purchased at the same time that I got this one back in 2013. And this is gonna be from Hansen. This is from their Diamond Strength line, and it's in the color Together Forever. This is a beautiful nude with like pink shimmer running through it. And there's my starting point right there. And my last pick for 2018 is this one from Sinful Colors. This is the matte pink old version of Dream On. And this is my starting point right here. Here's a closer look at my starting point, which is basically halfway. So those are my 5 picks to finish before the end of the year. I'm only doing 5 because my main goal for this year is to swatch my whole collection. Most of the polishes in my collection are brand new, so I want to make sure that I'm using those as well. And since I'm going to be using so much new polish this year, I will only update quarterly. So my first update will be at the end of March, then June, September, and then December. For next update, I will make sure to have my swatch wheel so you can take a look at how these polishes look once they're applied. I will also make sure to post some pictures on my Instagram. If you don't follow me, I do have my Instagram account in the description box below. Project Polish is my favorite panning project of the whole year. So if you're doing one, whether it's here on YouTube or on Instagram, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to go check it out. I look forward to having some progress to show you by the first update, so stay tuned. That is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for spending some of your time with me. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.